How to make a water slide dog treat holder. Use Hippo water slide paper to print design with an inkjet printer. Apply 3 coats of acrylic spray. Trim off excess, remembering to leave at least 1/8 an inch around the edges. Submerge in water for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Apply a bit of water to your container and carefully transfer the water slide decal. It's easiest if you hold the top of the decal in place while you slide out the paper backing. Just take your time and go nice and slow. With the backing removed, you'll be able to slide the design until it's in the correct position. Use your hands and a paper towel to remove all the excess water. If you're happy with the look, allow to dry completely for 3 hours. Once dry, all you need to do is add your dog's favorite treats and you'll be good to go. Comment below if you have any questions and don't forget to follow for more easy tutorials.